and welcome to this Tournament Expert tutorial. In this one we will focus on the export to CSV, which is this command, and the import from CSV, which is this command. Let's start by exporting our file. We currently have the President's Cup file open and we are ready to export, so let's export this file to CSV. And it takes the name of the file and then adds CSV. It goes to the default folder. We're ready to save it. A CSV file is a text file that can also be viewed by Excel. So because it can be viewed by Excel, we give you the option of actually looking at the file in Excel once it has been exported. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's click yes. And you can see, I'm going to lower this down a little bit into our area. So you can see that we're looking at the President's Cup CSV file, and it is a, I'm just going to open up these columns a little bit so you can see them. So you can see that it is really just a list. It is the player list in Excel, and it's been exported. So we've got that available. So now that we have those names available, we can import them when we need them. So let's clear, just so we can see how that works. Let's clear the current player list. So it's cleared. Everything's ready for a new. And in this case, instead of opening a tournament, I'm just going to open up the names that have been exported to CSV. So File, and then Import. And we're going to import from TourEx CSV, point to that file that we just saved, and click Open. And boom, there they are. They're the 44 players. Well, they are still there. They're there available to us. So if we wanted to, we could import them as often as needed. If I imported them again, currently we have 44 rows, I would go Import and then CSV, TourEx CSV, and click on that same list of players, click Open, and now I have 88 rows. And so you can see if I go down, I get the presidents all over again. If I didn't want that, then I could click Edit and then Undo, and I just undid that import that I did, and now I'm back to 44 rows. But it could also be useful, let's say that I'm now going to clear again, and this time I'm going to go File and then Open, and let's open, let's say the 12 couples 2 flights. So let's open up that. And now I want to append, I want to actually bring in those players one more time from that list of presidents that we exported. And this time when I bring it in, notice what happens to the name down here, the 12 couples 2 flights. So I'm going to go File and then Import TourEx CSV, point to the President's Cup and click Open. And so now I've just added on 44 players to the 24. I've got 68, but I maintained the name of 12 couples 2 flights. Now that's the original name of the file that was sitting here, and that's different than the append players command, where I can append. I have a list of players in the player list, and I've got a saved tournament, and then I can append that saved tournament to the players in the player list. And now, and when I do that, then the name takes on the name of the saved tournament that I actually appended. So this is 2 different ways of adding additional names to the player list very quickly. So thank you for watching.